Hey driving intelligence community, this is a very quick video, just an update. Wanted to share all the learnings that I've got. One of the problems on this side is this wiring harness, and one thing I did is I completely disconnected all of the coil packs and fuel injectors, and I still couldn't get this line out of the way. But it turns out that these two connections here are all that hold it in place, and one of them is for the crank sensor, which you have to disconnect anyway, which is actually this one, and then the other one is to your air conditioning compressor. And when I disconnected those, I could pull this wiring harness up out of the way, and that alone gives you so much more room to get to this passenger side head for reinstallation of your valve cover.